Hello, welcome to the Explicit English channel. In this short video, I'm going to explain the 3 reasons for using the passive voice in English. Without further ado, let's get started. So, the first reason for using the passive voice is to describe the result. By this, I mean that we only want to focus on the action that has been done to someone or something. We are not interested in anything except the final outcome. For example, I can say the following: a mistake has been made. I want to guide my readers' or speakers' attention by the fact that a mistake has been made and not anything else. And this is what we mean by describing the result, what actually happened as a result at the end. Okay, so that's the first reason. The second reason is to conveniently avoid mentioning the agent or the doer from your active sentence. At the same time, we use this voice to avoid blaming someone. In the example above, a mistake has been made. Do I know who made the mistake? No. However, I know that a mistake has been made, and that is all at this point I'm willing to convey to my speaker or my reader. I don't want to mention any names, nor do I want to blame someone. And this is a very convenient voice to use in the English language if your reasons are to avoid the agent or the doer, what we call in the active sentence. The final third reason for using the passive voice is to report the news. Oftentimes, the news are not allowed to report who was involved in a certain event or situation, and therefore they only focus and report actually what happened in that certain circumstance. So there you have it. These are the 3 reasons for using the passive voice in the English language. Stay tuned for the next video in which I'm going to explain how the passive voice verb tense conjugation is actually taking place in the English language. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notifications every time a new video is released. Until the next time, stay safe and enjoy your English language learning journey. Bye!